So let's learn sentence 1 and sentence 2 for Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So for sentence number 1, we are going to put our hands into this, well, we've called it a cage chord before, C, A, G, and E. So that's position number 1. Position number 2, we're just going to move the hand down there. Same position, just one white note down. You'll notice there are no black notes. In fact, there are no black notes at all in this song for the right hand. So here we go. We're going to start here with those 2 middle fingers. Rudolph the Red, and then we're going to skip way up to our pinky and then just repeat fingers 3 and 2 there. So you'll notice that we are really only using those 4 notes there. It helps to sing along. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And then the next section, we're going to use, again, these 2 followed by these top 2. Had a very shiny nose. So now you're using those bottom 2 for the first section of that melody, and then you're using the top 2 for the second section of that melody. So take your time there. Down, up, down, up, down. So there's a bit of a swing in there. 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, down. So putting that all together, sentence 1 looks like this. Starting here on finger number 2. Rudolph the Red, skip up, nosed reindeer. Reuse fingers 3 and 2 right in there. Now we've got that skipping part where we do it 5 times. Had a very shiny nose. That is sentence number 1. Okay, from there, you're just going to move down here to sentence number 2, and we are using the same shape, and we are going to, it's going to feel very similar in the hand. We're again going to start here on fingers number 2 and 3. And if you ever saw him. Now you'll notice this one is a little bit different. We do use finger 4 right there, but that's okay. Sentence 2 is just, that is where it's different. So it starts the same, where you skip down, starting with 2, 3, you skip down to your thumb, go all the way to the top of the hand, but then just walk down to the middle. And then right on that finger, that's where you're going to start. You will even say it glows. For that, the thumb has to scooch back up here to the E. So remember, we were on the D there before. So once we get to the second half of the second sentence there, where after we've walked down to the middle, and we start there on the middle, you would even say it. Thumb scooches up to E and plays the E there. Okay, so that puts you then actually back into position number 1 there for sentence 1, because you're going to repeat sentence 1 again. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. So sentence 1, nice division there between those 2 and those 2 at the top. Again, we would walk down for the last half. They never let poor, walking down to the middle, Rudolph, staying right here, join in any rain. Now the ending here for the second sentence 2 is a little bit different. We have to stretch up to the D and play down to the C. So if you have played the lullaby in the past, Brahms' lullaby, we have that stretch up there with fingers 5 and 4 just to wrap up that sentence.